You know the routine. Every 4 to 6 weeks, you make that trip to the salon, or you stand in front of the bathroom mirror with gloved hands and a box of dye, hoping the color looks natural this time. Graying is driven by a specific biological process occurring deep inside the hair follicle itself. Look at the bottles inside this vintage medicine cabinet. The exact same hydrogen peroxide you might keep on a shelf like this is naturally accumulating inside your body. As you age, those hydrogen peroxide levels build up and literally bleach your hair from the inside out. We can fix this. Today, we are going to walk through a precise, step-by-step biological protocol to restock your hair follicles with the exact raw materials they need to reverse that internal bleaching process. To execute this protocol, you need exactly 4 items: a specific molasses, a glass of water, rosemary essential oil, and a carrier oil. Restoring your natural hair color does not require harsher dyes or stronger chemicals. You simply need to give your body the proper biological building blocks. Think of a young, healthy hair follicle like an active manufacturing plant. Inside, specialized cells called melanocytes are constantly working, producing the melanin pigment that gives your hair its rich, natural color. But as we get older, the factory conditions change. Researchers at the University of Bradford analyzed hair follicles from women at different ages. They found that as age increases, an essential neutralizing enzyme called Catalase drops significantly. At the exact same time, hydrogen peroxide levels spike. This diagram shows the direct result of that imbalance. Without enough Catalase to run interference, the accumulating hydrogen peroxide attacks and destroys the color-producing melanocytes. To stop this damage, your cells need a raw material to restart Catalase production. That material is a B-complex vitamin called para-aminobenzoic acid, or PABA. When you deliver PABA to the follicle, your body uses it to manufacture fresh catalase, which then neutralizes the hydrogen peroxide. You might wonder why you can't just swallow a catalase supplement. Catalase is a protein. Your stomach acid breaks it down completely before it ever reaches your scalp. Delivering PABA so your body builds its own catalase on site is the only viable biological strategy. The most bioavailable, nutritionally dense food source of PABA on Earth is Blackstrap molasses. It contains a complete package of PABA alongside the cofactors required to absorb it. When you buy Blackstrap molasses, the label must say unsulfured. This is non-negotiable. Sulfured molasses has been treated with sulfur dioxide as a preservative. Sulfur compounds actively block your body from absorbing copper, which is a mineral strictly required for melanin production. Here is the daily preparation. Take exactly 1 tablespoon of the unsulfured molasses and stir it thoroughly into a cup of water until it's dark and entirely uniform. Make sure you use warm water. Never use hot or boiling water for this step. High heat degrades the heat-sensitive B vitamins, including the PABA you are trying to extract. Drink this mixture first thing in the morning on a completely empty stomach. Do this before breakfast, coffee, or tea, so the critical minerals and vitamins don't have to compete with other food for absorption. Consuming this drink daily delivers an uncompromised synergistic payload of PABA, copper, and iron straight into your bloodstream. Having those nutrients circulating in your bloodstream is step 1. But if poor circulation prevents them from physically reaching the hair follicles, the factory stays offline. We have to drive the nutrients directly to the site. Twice a week in the evening, mix exactly 5 drops of rosemary essential oil into a tablespoon of carrier oil, like jojoba or coconut oil. Apply this blend to your fingertips and massage your entire scalp for a strict minimum of 5 minutes. Do not rush this step. Clinical research shows it takes at least 3 to 4 minutes of sustained massage to achieve peak scalp blood flow. Now that we have built the repair system, we need to talk about the primary saboteur undermining your progress: commercial permanent hair dyes. Notice the variety of permanent hair dyes shown here. Almost all of them rely on hydrogen peroxide developers to strip and color the hair. This means every time you use a permanent box dye, you are injecting the exact bleaching agent that kills your melanocytes directly into your scalp. To execute this biological protocol successfully, you must transition away from these permanent oxidative chemicals. Switch to henna-based products or semi-permanent colors that do not require a peroxide developer. It is biochemically impossible to rebuild your hair's natural pigment factory while simultaneously bombing it with chemical bleach every 6 weeks. Let's look at this timeline to set realistic expectations. In month 1, increased mineral status and oxygenation result in healthier hair, improved texture, more shine, less brittleness. By month 2, you reach a crucial milestone. Existing silver strands remain, but the pace of brand new gray hairs noticeably slows. The breakthrough happens in months 3 and 4. Visible repigmentation begins. You'll see individual hair strands growing in dark and pigmented at the root, transitioning to the older gray color at the ends. Consistency is everything here. Your follicles have been accumulating oxidative stress for decades. You cannot reverse that biological reality in a matter of days. You have to commit to the daily routine. Go to the comments right now.
Tell me your age and when you noticed your first gray hair. Then commit to trying this protocol and come back in 3 months to report your biological results. Finally, think of one friend or family member who is exhausted by the constant salon cycle. Share this video with them and offer them a definitive biological exit strategy.